As you must be aware, that I am the only homeopath in the world who has given 100 globinars since lockdown. Probably one of the most appreciated homeopath because of the strong foundation and teachings in the lines of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. One of the most popular event out of the whole in my digital presentations or digital appearances or webinars is Organon Access to Success series. And Organon Access to Success series has produced a very high recognition in the community, and out of which we have created different courses that will be giving you from the basic to the best of understanding in original homeopathy. Because I always believe original homeopathy is simple homeopathy. Original homeopathy is easy homeopathy. Learning and practicing homeopathy on the base of Organon is like an evolution of the practice, like the 6th edition from Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, 1st edition, 2nd edition, 3rd edition, 4th, 5th, and 6th. Dr. Kent also says you're a good homeopath if you take the case well. You are a better homeopath if you manage the case well. So case management is an integral part of homeopathic practice, or I would say success in homeopathic practice. I have seen hundreds of teachers globally who teach how to find right medicine. They focus more on first prescription. But in reality, the secret of success in a difficult case is how to give second prescription properly, how to give third prescription properly, or how to give fourth, fifth, or sixth prescription properly, one after the other. Because now in the present scenario where we live, we have chronic manageable diseases more than chronic curable diseases. And I'm sure you must be agree. So Organon, in being a postgraduate in Organon, having strong Organon-based homeopathic practice in my life, making homeopathic hospital the first in the state of Gujarat, India, I believe that Organon needs to be understood as per its depth in different courses, similar to different editions of the Organon. Basic course in simple homeopathy is something which is really a need of a homeopath to shine in practice. It has many unique topics. Probably the world has never seen like this. How to find desires and aversions in a case. How to find thermals in a case. How to find sleep symptoms in a case. How to find PQRS in a case. Virtues of Hahnemann we need to possess. Different types of case taking, how to take a follow-up, phone follow-up, review consultation. There are many unique topics which are there in the basic course of Access to Success. In this basic course, my purpose or my target is a homeopath should settle in his practice. He should be able to get good information in the consultation, and he should be able to use those information. He should be able to synthesize those information, or he should be able to base his prescription on the information received from the patient with the best of success in homeopathic practice. These are pure clinical points one must know. As I always recommend, and that's what I follow, strong Organon-based homeopathic practice. Complete course on simple homeopathy, complete course of Organon Access to Success is something which represents what I actually do in my homeopathy practice. That is application of Hahnemann's aphorisms in day-to-day practice, application of set of aphorisms in day-to-day practice, application of words written in aphorisms in day-to-day practice, and in any form, application of Organon in every case I see, because I believe in strong Organon-based homeopathic practice. And in this, usually a homeopath faces 4 types of disorders. 4 types of disorders. First is acute, right? Acute. In acute disorder, we don't have time, we don't have another opportunity. Either do or die, either win or lose, either now or never. And in acute, we have a great possibility to shine in homeopathic practice, because acute management of acute will make you famous overnight. And organon-based acute homeopathic care is very simple. Here in acute, you will be able to see different aphorisms from Hahnemann's Organon of Medicine on specific acute diseases. And in that, followed up with acute evidence-based clinical case studies will give you a clear idea how these aphorisms work in the acute homeopathic care. That is point one. Point number two, chronic diseases. First was acute disease, second is chronic disease. Chronic disease, we usually see two types of disease: physical disease or psychological disease. Physical disease or psychological disease. Psychological means mental emotional diseases. So in a way, here what Hahnemann tells very clearly that in chronic disease, usually homeopathy has a great scope to offer. But the bitter situation of present scenario is homeopaths are called, or homeopathy is considered at the end when the chronic disease becomes chronic complex becomes chronic incurable, and chronic incurable on the verge of being fatal. But still, homeopathy has a great scope to offer. Point number three, what you call psychological causes of physical diseases, psychosomatic diseases, holism. You know, allopathic science, before a decade or before a few years, used to believe the concept of physical health. Physical health, that a person is, all the blood reports have been done, radiological investigation has been done, examinations have been done by the experts of the medical profession. Everybody says the person is normal. Then that person takes the machine gun, goes in the school, kill 100 children. Do you think it's normal? Of course not. So then from the concept of physical health, the concept of mental health came into picture, where homeopathy, being the most advanced science, believes the concept of physical health, concept of mental health, and concept of emotional health. So here, emotional causes of the diseases, or I would say emotional diseases, which word Hahnemann has used specifically in mental emotional diseases, paragraph number 210 to 230. Emotional diseases, the world is now going towards. And we have a lot of disappointment, grief, breakup, divorce, despair, anger suppressed, mortification, indignation, injustice, etc., breaking the emotional health very badly, eventually affecting physical health, eventually affecting mental health, because it is holism, right? So in a way, if the body is getting deranged, we are psychologically disturbed. So if the mind is getting deranged, we'll be disturbed physically for sure. So the third point is importance of holism and understanding psychological causes of physical diseases. And that's what Hahnemann is showing, that the homeopathy is a science of future. Homeopathy has a great potential to offer in the future. And the fourth is new rare disorder, unheard disorder. Say for example, COVID-19. In 2019, last part of the year, maybe November, December, where COVID-19 was found out. The world was not aware about it, what to do. World was not aware about COVID-19 at all. Similarly, if a rare disorder comes in front of you, if a patient with strange disorder comes in front of you, what you should do? You should know. You should know very well. And that's what Hahnemann tells in his multiple aphorisms of the Organon. Where a patient of rare disorder comes to you, you should be clear about your guidelines, you should be clear about management, and you should be clear about making the case to the road of recovery. Otherwise, not being aware about managing such type of cases will bring a headache in you. So I would say Hahnemann has very rightly said that homeopathy is the science of future, and future is now. Hahnemann has said very clearly that homeopathy is the best science, the best method of treatment of diseases, of sickness in humanity. And I always believe, being a proud child of Samuel Hahnemann, why to fear when Hahnemann is here? So this course, this complete course on access to success, this complete course on simple homeopathy will show you application of aphorisms in day-to-day practice, supported with evidence-based clinical case studies. You have clinical case studies of acute disease, you have clinical case studies of chronic disease, you have clinical case studies of rare disorders, and you have clinical case studies of holism, psychological causes of physical disease. So friends, with this I present to you the complete course on access to success, the complete course on simple homeopathy. Advanced course in simple homeopathy is something which I really learned more in the later years of my homeopathic practice, which I really love a lot about it. Advanced course on simple homeopathy teaches stronger the foundation, durable the construction. If you are strong with your foundations, there is no tornado which can disturb you from the bottom. So index of this advanced course is such which are pure clinical with advanced topics, which I really wish that the practitioner with certain years of experience should take up this course. Of course, enthusiasm is always a great for anybody to take this course, but there are topics, that is concept of tautopathy, which is very advanced topic. International homeopathic care, how you can go to any part of the world to serve humanity. You know, you cannot reach to every part of the world, but you can send your knowledge through the best digital versions in order to serve the people. Third is all about LM potencies. LM potency Hahnemann developed in his last phase of his life. Lot of discussions, lot of unique concepts from LM potencies are also there. Along with that, this course in advanced version or advanced course of Organon Access to Success will show you the world of homeopathy beyond the horizon. And that is what I really believe, that the world is of homeopathy. That's what I always believe, and I confirm and I repeat many, many times, the world will have to take homeopathy one day, either by choice or by compulsion. So friends, with this I present to you the advanced course in homeopathy. Total course in Access to Success. Total course, that is course number 4, on basic to the best of original homeopathy. Basic to the best of simple homeopathy, which is a compilation of basic, complete and advanced together. So if you are taking the total course, you don't need to take individual courses of basic, complete or advanced. It is all together. So in this, I present to you the Organon Access to Success with the hope that it will help you to a great extent, and I'll be very happy to receive your criticisms, especially to my lecture, which will help me to increase my level of understanding in homeopathy. Ultimately, we are the students of homeopathy and we are the children of the same father, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Thank you.